This video will explain how to use an apostrophe. There are two main reasons that we use an apostrophe. First of all, to replace letters, such as I am becomes I'm, do not becomes don't, cannot, can't. We also call these contractions. The second main reason for using an apostrophe is to show that something belongs to someone. The car's doors, the doors belonging to the car. The cat's tail, the tail belonging to the cat. So here is an example of a sentence that requires apostrophes. First of all, with the first reason, replacing letters. Johnny isn't going to play football today as his friends can't spare the time. So the second word of the sentence, isn't, will need an apostrophe because we are shortening is not to isn't. The apostrophe replaces the letter O. Secondly, we need to replace the letter O again in the word can't. His friends can't spare the time, as we are shortening can not. Now in our next example, we are looking at how apostrophes are used to show something belongs to someone. In this sentence, Johnny's friends are unable to play football today. The friends belong to Johnny, and so we need an apostrophe before the S to show that the friends belong to Johnny. In the second sentence here, Tom's mum has told him that he has to stay inside for the rest of the day. The mum belongs to Tom, and so we need an apostrophe before the S in Tom's to show that the mum belongs to Tom. But what about plurals? These are often the cause of great confusion with apostrophes. It's important to say that making a noun plural does not mean you need to throw in an apostrophe. The biggest mistake people make with apostrophes is seeing an S at the end of a word, normally because it's a plural, say cats rather than just cat, and thinking this means they have to use an apostrophe. You will only use an apostrophe in that situation if you are showing that something is belonging to the many cats. And so a plural might require you to move an apostrophe. Let's see an example of having to move an apostrophe by thinking again about cats. A sentence like the cat is looking very hungry today requires no apostrophe. The sentence the cats are looking very hungry today also requires no apostrophe. We have simply made the noun cat plural. The cat's food bowl is looking pretty empty now does require an apostrophe to show that the food bowl belongs to one cat, and so the apostrophe goes before the S. But if we then write the sentence as the cat's food bowls are looking pretty empty, we now have many cats, and so the apostrophe goes after the S. So to recap, there are two main reasons for using an apostrophe. Replacing letters, showing something belongs to someone.